Hi, I'm going to do a really quick tutorial on how to use Divi with Gutenberg. A lot of you may have upgraded to Gutenberg and be using Divi, or like me, you might be new to Divi. We build most of our sites using B-theme, which I think is totally awesome. But we just started using Divi. Divi is a really good theme to build websites, whether you're a web designer or if you are building your own website. Now, what I've noticed is that most of the tutorials that I was seeing for Divi are all based on the old WordPress builder. But now that Gutenberg's in, I couldn't find anything. So I'm going to show you a really quick way to use the back-end Divi builder with Gutenberg. Essentially, what you're going to do is you're going to install your Divi. You're going to come over here to Divi in your dashboard and go to Divi Theme Options. When you go to Theme Options, you'll see that it has this menu. There's various things that you can choose from, but what you're looking for is Builder. If you click on Builder, then you're going to have two options, which is Post Type Integration and Advanced. What you want to do is click on Advanced, and you're just really concerned with these last two items here. The first one, which is Enable the latest Divi Builder experience. You want that to be enabled. But this is what you want to do if you want to be able to use the classic editor in WordPress. Even though you've upgraded to Gutenberg, you want to enable that and then save changes. Now what will happen is when you create a new page, let's just add a new page, it will now give you the classic look as opposed to the Gutenberg look, which I'm not that great with it yet, but you can now use the Divi builder in the background. So that's a really quick tutorial on how to use Divi builder backend with Gutenberg.